I've been checking it out piece by piece. Don't think I haven't, because I have. So let me go on ahead, get into my mobile app. Apparently, they're also running a promotion for the holidays. So anybody who wants to get in on this $75 agreement, sign up below, get a free account, switch direct deposit, either half or all of your check within 45 business days. Do that and we both get $75 plus an extra $25 for Spot Me. If you want to get $75 for this month only, you guys need to go on ahead and get in on this. Definitely. Don't play around. If you're wondering why Chime is once again, you're not getting your checks earlier, it's because of all of the COVID plus the elections, stocks going up and down, the foreign exchange market going up and down. Every single market, everything is being affected. Okay? No matter what, you're still getting paid one day earlier. I'm pretty sure when things go back to normal completely and fully and we have less to worry about because of this pandemic or what's left of it, you'll be able to get your paychecks on Wednesdays again. As far as I was concerned, it was pretty cool the fact that we were still getting paid on Wednesday. We were just getting paid closer to midnight going on Thursday. Now it's going on to Thursday. Trust me, I have noticed. I have been taking notes. But there's less to worry about because you're still getting paid. But speaking of that, from what I've been hearing, there's supposed to be more going on when it comes to another lockdown. I don't know how true that is, but if it does happen, all I can say is bless all. Hopefully everyone still gets to keep their jobs, no matter how long it's been. And one more thing. Many blessings to you all. I'm finna go on and end this because I'm tired. Just got off work a little over an hour ago. Only reason why I'm making this video is because I remembered that they had this promotion. Plus, all of you on YouTube, thank you for all of your support. Thank you for all of your comments. And thank you for subscribing. You guys are all blessings. I've noticed it as well that I've been getting paid later than normal. But I'm not going to threat about it because I'm still getting paid and I can still transfer my accounts from different accounts and then transfer them over to my brokerage accounts. And because I can transfer them over to my brokerage accounts, all three brokerage accounts, Robinhood, WEBULL, and One Finance. Yes, I did make a brand new WEBULL account. Finally got into there. I'll make a video on that soon. And now I can invest from 3 different platforms and test the waters on each one. Getting paid every single day is a blessing. Your boy's rich. All I have to do now is build the wealth. You guys in with me? Any more subjects? I'll get back to you guys as soon as possible. Been working 2 jobs nonstop. Been throwing cash from several different areas. Been doing some experimentations. And got another update coming up pretty soon on I Am Mastery Academy. Yes, I got back into that. Just like I mentioned before. Been gaining and losing money both ways. But I'm having a great experience, so I'm not complaining. You guys have a great night and have a great morning, depending on when you're seeing this. Love, peace, namaste.